How to install YouTube app in Windows 11. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can install YouTube app in Windows 11. So let's dive in. First, you have to open any browser that you use on your PC, and then you have to search for YouTube. And once you search for YouTube, you have to open this first official link from YouTube. Just right click on it and then click open link in new tab. I have already opened it over here. And once you're on your YouTube page, you'll see these three dots on the top right corner. Click these three dots on the top right corner and it's going to pop up with this window. In this window, you have to scroll down until you find the option Cast, Save and Share. And once you click this option, it's going to pop up with this list over here. And now you can see you have this option Install YouTube. You simply have to click Install YouTube in this list. And then you have to click install again on the pop-up. And now you can see the YouTube app is now installed. If I just close my browser, you'll be able to see the YouTube app over here. You can pin this to your taskbar by right clicking on it and click pin to taskbar. And here you have the YouTube app. And that's how you install YouTube app in Windows 11.